Welcome to Core English, Level 1, Lesson 4. In this lesson, we will learn how to understand the meaning of sentences by asking three simple questions. Who? What? Where? For example, Tom runs fast along the road. Who? Tom. Another example, the children play on the grass. Who? The children. Next is what. What tells us the action. What happens? For example, Tom runs fast along the road. What? Runs fast. Another example, the children play on the grass. What? Play. Now let's ask where. Where tells us the place. For example, Tom runs fast along the road. Where? Along the road. Another example, the children play on the grass. Where? On the grass. Let's practice. I will read a sentence. You answer. Who? What? Where? Anna reads a book in the library. Who? Anna. What? Reads a book. Where? In the library. The dog sleeps on the sofa. Who? The dog. What? Sleeps. Where? On the sofa. We eat dinner at the table. Who? We. What? Eat dinner. Where? At the table. Good work! Now, you know how to find meaning in a sentence by asking who, what, where. This will help you understand English more clearly, and it will also help you when you write your own sentences. Download your practice sheet for Lesson 4 at coreenglish.org and do the drills. Remember to practice whenever you can. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to build full sentences using simple words you already know. If you have found this video has helped you, then help us out by liking the video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Or please consider making a donation to support our work at our website, coreenglish.org.